So in today's class, we are going to understand how important signs are, in algebra, which means minus when added with a minus. What is the operation that we do and what is the sign that it gets along? Okay. Is Manit here in the class? Manit is here. Okay. Zoom recording. Okay. So this is the question that we are working on. Let's see if we got the right answer. So today I can see your answers. So just let me know if you got it correct or it was wrong. All right? Chalo. Now solve it with me. 2a plus b minus, when I open the bracket, focus here, minus and open the bracket, it becomes 2a, right? Yes. And this b, when I open minus into minus, it becomes a plus b. Okay. So whoever has got an answer as 0, you are getting 0. If you are not careful in opening the brackets and which sign it is and you have to multiply, you will not be able to get the right answer. So I want to see a thumbs up over here. How many of you have got the right answer? Answer is 2b. Now I'll tell you how. 2b, 2a and minus 2a becomes a 0. I am left with plus b and another plus b, which is 2b. Very good, Hazel. Aradhya, Ridan, perfect. Grahil, perfect. Advait, did you get it right? Sanvi, did you get it right?
No, ma'am. I understand.
No, you did not understand?
Yes. Ma'am,
Shivansh,
I actually...
Yes, tell me. Sorry, Sanvi, tell me.
Ma'am, I came to the conclusion of 2a plus b minus 2a plus b. That was clear. But
Okay,
then
so now,
after that, I added 2ab minus 2ab and I returned to the answer 0.
okay, so was the mistake in opening the bracket and multiplying the minus symbol with the minus symbol? Was that the mistake there, Sanvi? Yes, that is the only where we will get it wrong. Chalo, let's start with the next question. But before
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Grahil?
Ma'am, 0a plus 2b correct?
Yeah. 0? What? 0?
0a plus 2b.
No, there is nothing as 0a. Now, let me clarify this. Very important. I want everyone to listen. What did I tell you in the previous class? If I have 2a written, which operation is missing over here?
Multiplication.
And if I multiply 2 times a, so suppose if 0 times a आ रहा है, so 0a क्या होता है?
0.
0. So don't give that answer 0a. There's nothing as 0a. Okay? So Grahil,
Yes, sir.
rectify that error. Okay? Now,
Okay.
let us work on our concept, which means plus, and when I am adding it, the symbol that the number takes is plus and the operation is also plus. Symbol and operation. Okay? Now you will be asking, what are you doing, ma'am? I'm not able to understand anything. So let me redefine it for you. Plus 6 plus a plus 9. This is a positive integer. Plus 6 is a positive integer. I would request everybody to keep their video on so that I can see you. Okay, plus 9 is again a positive integer. And what is the operation that we have to do? A plus. Okay, so this becomes a 6 plus 9. So the symbol that it will take is a plus and the operation that we have to do is an addition. So it becomes a 15. Let's take this example. Minus 6 plus of 9. Now these are two integers, negative and positive, and I'm adding. I want you to give me the answer because only then I will know if this concept is clear.
Ma'am, the answer will be 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Chat box.
Ma'am, the answer is +3.
Yes, the answer is +3. Okay. So I hope everyone got this one right. Now let me give you a little complex.
No, I got
Now,
it wrong.
that must be a silly error. Try to do this again. Now these are two negative integers and I have to minus them. Okay. So minus multiplied by minus. Do you know what does it become? Plus. Which means if you open the bracket, this minus into a -9 is going to convert this into a +9. And this is a -6. And now give me the answer. समझ में आया क्या ये? Or no? Samaira?
No, ma'am.
No? Correct. Chalo. Let's do -6 minus 9. Shivansh. -6 minus 9. Aradhya, answer is wrong. Correct your answer. -6 minus 9. Correct, Aradhya. Okay, so Advait, can you tell me what is the operation that we need to do if there's a -6 and a -9? Advait? Netik? Do you know this? -6 and a
Ma'am,
minus.
we need to add.
We need to add. Okay. So 6 and a 9 becomes a 15. And do you think we need to even work on the symbol?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the symbol?
Ma'am, it would be minus only.
It's going to be a -15. So the concept is when you are adding two negative numbers, the operation becomes an addition. That minus minus, you will have to add them. Okay. This is a rule, so you have to remember it. But the symbol will become a negative. Okay, let's take another equation. Shivansh, samajh mein aa raha hai? Thumbs up. And if you want to practice more of these questions, I have given it in the group. You can practice it. Okay, quickly give me the answer for this. Okay, next. Aradhya, is that a typing error? Okay. Very good. Good, guys. Kya are you? -8 plus 3. Yes. Now do this one. -8 into 5. I'm waiting for everybody. Good job. Good job, children. Samaira, आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Ma'am, I did not understand the second one.
-8 into 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the concept for multiplication is, let me just brief you with the entire thing. Minus, minus. When you are adding
Ma'am?
them, yes?
Ma'am, there's some problem in my chat section, so I'm not able to send
Okay, no problem.
answer.
Your answer and tally with this, with the answers that I'm providing. Okay. Now, quickly, everyone, just listen to me for once. Now, when I have a negative number, another negative number, and I'm adding them, the operation is going to be addition, but the symbol is going to be minus. Are we clear with that? Yeah. When I have a negative number and a positive number, the operation is going to be negative, but the symbol is going to be the one which has the bigger number, correct? Which means minus 8 plus 5. What is the operation? We have to subtract it. So 8 minus 5 is a 3. But we have to see which symbol, which sign, which notation it is going to take. Since 8 is bigger than 5, I'm going to give a minus over here. Is this clear? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is a minus. When multiplied by a minus, it becomes a positive number. A positive number when multiplied by a negative number is a negative number. Okay, so if I have given this second question to you, that a minus 8 into 5, children, some of you are giving me minus 3, but it is a multiplication question. What is 8 times 5? 40. But since one of the numbers are a negative number, the symbol will be like the sign is going to be minus. It's a negative number. Are you guys clear over here? Minus 40. Don't give me 40. Okay, another question. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 10. What is the answer? Very good. Quick. Your 10 looks like a 16 to me. The answer should be 30 seconds and less. Don't waste time in typing my question. Just give me the answer. Okay, so Hazel, 2 times 10 is a 20, but a negative multiplied by a negative becomes a positive. This is the difference. This is the difference, which means minus into minus is a positive number. But when I add the minus, although we are adding, but the symbol becomes a negative. Okay? All right. So as a homework, please try to finish these simple questions that were shared for you during the holidays. Okay? So let's try to work on something like this. What is minus 2a plus a? Question number 1. Question number 2. Minus 2a minus 3a. Minus 5b plus 5b. 6a minus 5a. Minus 6a times 6a. Minus 6a times 6b. Okay. Solve these 6 equations. Don't waste your time in copying. Just write down the answers. आयु इतना पेपर वेस्ट मत करो ना. Quickly. So instead of typing the answers in the chat box, write it on your piece of paper. And then when I share, it's going to be easy for you to check your answer. That, okay, question number 1 was this, second was this. Done? Netik, are you following?
Auntie, I'm not able to get it.
Where are you stuck, Anvika?
Oh, mom, first one, like what operation to perform? Like, is it addition or subtraction?
You have to tell me that. Minus and plus.
Mom, I think it should be addition.
It is
But the
minus.
sign become subtraction, like the minus
No,
one.
no. The sign will also be a negative because that depends on the number which is bigger. So 2a is bigger than a. See, when we have a negative and a positive, and when we are adding them, you have to subtract it. For sure, you will have to subtract it, and then whichever number is higher, you will have to take that sign. Guys, quickly finish it. Fifth, sixth. How many of you have finished? Done all. Okay, two. Grahil, we are waiting for you. Done. Third. Shivansh, Netik, Ridan, Sharav, Naisha. Okay. Advait, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So, Manit, I hope you have written the answers also in your notebook because chances are that all of you have done a mistake somewhere. Softly close the door.
Ma'am, I have done all the questions.
Good job. Okay. All right. So let us tally our answers now. Focus over here. Minus
Ma'am,
2.
done all.
Okay, now listen. Focus over here. This is for kids who are in grade 4 and below. Minus 2a plus a. Okay? And think of 6 and 6. These are two numbers, right? What is 6 times 6? Minus 2a plus a. Just imagine if it was something like minus 2 plus 1. Can you give the answer, Samaira? Minus 2 plus 1. What is the answer?
I think it should be 2 because 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2.
No,
So,
no, Samaira. See, a minus 2 and a plus 1. Firstly, I see two different operations. I see a minus and a plus. So when we have a negative and a positive, we will have to subtract. That is for sure. So let us subtract 2 and 1. Okay. So the answer is a 1. Now, you will also have to see the symbol. Which number is bigger? 2. What is the symbol that 2 has? Okay, it's minus. It's a negative. Negative 1. Yeah. Negative 1. So similarly, minus 2a plus a, for sure we have to subtract. So minus 2a, like 2a minus a gives you a. And since this is negative, it becomes a minus a. How many of you got minus a right? Okay. Now let's look at this one. Minus 2a minus 3a. Now we have two negative numbers. When you have both the numbers at minus, you have to add the numbers. Okay. So 3 and 2 becomes a 5. So it is a 5a. But since they were negative numbers, they are also going to be negative. The sign is negative. The class is going to get over in 10 minutes. Stay with me for 10 minutes and then we shall meet on Wednesday. Now, minus 5b plus 5b. What are we going to do, Samaira?
We are going to minus
Okay. And what will be the answer? 5b minus 5a?
0.
Sorry, 5b minus 5b? 0. Next, Samaira, this one. 6a minus 5a. What are we going to do?
We are going to minus.
So, what is the answer?
The answer is 1A.
1a. Now you'll ask me symbol. What is the sign that it is going to take? Which is the bigger number out of 6a and 5a? Which is big?
6A.
6A.
6a. And 6a is a positive or a negative integer?
Non-positive.
That is the reason why this is plus a and not minus a. Now, look at these two. Yahan par multiplication is involved. All that you need to do is multiply. Okay? So, a minus times a plus will give you a minus, right? So, it's a negative number. 6 into 6 is a 36. And a into a becomes a square. This is again a concept. And I want you to understand this. Now, let's look at the second one. Minus 6a into 6b. Can you give me the answer now? What is the
And the answer is minus 36 AB.
AB.
Yes, minus 36ab. Very good. Very good. Now, perfect. Now tell me, what is the answer of this? Manit, a plus a plus a. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 3A.
Okay. What is a multiplied by a multiplied by a?
Ma'am, 3 square.
A3. A is 3.
A cube. A cube bolenge. All right? Because a3 is like this. Okay? So now listen, this is always known as the coefficient. Okay? So the coefficient of a is 3. All right? This is how you're going to say. Shall we
Yes,
practice
ma'am.
more on this concept? This is a very
Yes,
fun.
ma'am.
Chalo, isko karte hain.
Ma'am.
A plus B plus 2B. Give me the answer. How will it be 0? Are we adding first? Minus 6A
Ma'am,
plus.
2A plus 3B.
Ma'am, 2A plus 3B.
Okay, now to this one.
Ma'am, 4A. Wait.
Ooh, 4A कहाँ से आया?
No, wait, sorry. 2A, 2B.
2A के बीच में कौन सा symbol है?
Plus.
2A plus 3B. Because we have a B and a 2B here. So 2B plus 1B is a 3B. Correct? Yeah?
Ma'am, the
Yeah.
next one is A square
Huh?
into
Hmm?
B into. Wait, that's B?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was an H. Wait. Into 3B square.
Okay. And I have written it wrong. We have to remove the multiplication. So we will be writing it 3 going alphabetical wise, A square, B square. So सबसे पहले number आएगा and then the alphabets as per the alphabetical order. This is the final answer and this is how we have to write. Got it? Chalo. Let's take another. गलत है ये. इधर बैठ के करो.
Ma'am, I'm coming back from the washroom.
Okay. Chalo. Guys, quickly give me the answer for this.
Ma'am, first one is 18A.
Ma'am, first one is 18A.
Very good. Now, please, everyone, don't give out the answers, okay? Some children are still solving. जल्दी करो आइए. Okay, Sharaf, your answer is wrong.
Ma.
Okay. Ekam, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, the answer is
Don't give
216
out.
square.
Don't give out the answer. Another 3 minutes for the class. Okay. Now let's solve it together. Now 6a plus 6a plus 6a. So it is 18a. Okay, Grail, perfect. Now we don't know how to write cube. We don't know how to write cube here, hai na? Yes. Now look at number 6. Number 6 ke upar there is a sign for cube. I'm going to type it in the chat box. Everyone should know how to write it. Guys, open your chat box. Ayantika. Now the answer for 6a into 6a into 6a, 6 times 6 is a 36 and a 36 times 6 become a 216. But it is a cube. How will you write a cube? So write 216, then a, shift button and 6 button, press that together and then a 3. This is how you write it. Look at my answer in the chat box. 216a to the power of 3. This is written like this. Is it something new that you've learned today? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
did you write square, Ekam? Ekam, it's going to be a cube. Ekam,
Yes, ma'am.
how did you write square in the chat box?
Ma'am, I just
Join.
held 2 and left it when 3 numbers came.
अच्छा, मेरे को भी सिखाओ.
मोबाइल पे होएगा मैम.
Okay. I just thought so. I also want to check that. Okay, I'll check after the class. So that is the end of today's session. Stop the recording.